Hey, what is up guys? This is 3G Dimps and today I'm going to show you how to take off the stock muffler, so let's get right into the video. This is what you're going to need to take off the stock mufflers. You're going to need an electrical ratchet. You're going to need a size socket 10 and a size socket 12. I recommend the longer ones. Also, you're going to need a dead blow hammer, about 4 pounds. So first thing we're going to do is get under the vehicle. This is going to be the driver's side muffler right here. You're going to run down and find this clamp. This is going to be a size 12. Then you're going to want to do is unbolt this right here, the silver one. This is going to be a size 10. Then there's going to be a bolt here and a bolt there. Those are size 12s. So this is the passenger side muffler. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna run down, we're gonna find the clamp. It's gonna be a size 12. Then we're gonna come to the exhaust tip. And we are going to have 2 bolts right here. I'm obviously missing one. These are gonna be size 12. Then by the exhaust hanger right here, that's gonna be a size 12. Well, I hope this video helped y'all out. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. This is 3G_DIMPS, and see you next time.